Allow us to introduce a multi-purpose product that will make everyday life even more convenient. A joystick-type mouse for a new era, Nextick. Nextick boasts a comfortable grip and high-precision controls. Left click, right click, use the joystick for scrolling. You can surf the web conveniently by scrolling up and down with the thumb-controlled joystick. Nextick uses 9-DOF convergence technology to ensure accurate and stable operation. Did you forget your password? You can use the macro function within Nextick to configure commonly used phrases in advance and make use of them conveniently. When you're giving a presentation, Find Control helps you make it even more awesome. You can also conveniently control multimedia selection and playback. You can enjoy a variety of games by using the full 3D mouse and macro keyboard functionality. In addition, it is possible to wirelessly control various vibrating bodies through IoT controls. Experience an all-in-one device with comfort and outstanding versatility. Nextick.